Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into this eye look using the NABLA Secret Palette. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. For brushes today, I'll be using the NABLA White Rose brush collection. First, I'll go into the shade Ghibli, and the White Rose brush I will be using is the soft crease brush, right into Ghibli. Start in the outer corner. I'm just sort of swiping very gently. Now I'm going to move in outward circular motions with the very base of my brush. And I'm going to kind of bring it into the crease above the crease area with swiper motions in just the base of the brush. And I'll use circular outward motions to blend it. Blend this edge right here. Blend, blend, blend. I'm going to pat in the outer corner and bring it above the crease as well. And I will blend it in outward circular motions with the base of my brush. Once I have built up Ghibli, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Next, I'll go in the shade Black. With my precision shader brush, I'm going into the black shadow. I'm going to look down into my mirror and I'm going to press it in the outer corner and start to build it up. I'm gently dabbing. I'm going to dab it higher in the outer corner, taking more of Black and building the outer corner, making sure to go above the creases in the outer corner. Now I'm blending in inward circular motions, and then I'll go ahead and do that to the other side. Next, I'll go into Creation Crown. I'm taking the precision shader. I'm going to start to move it right onto the center of the lid and move inward in swiper motions. And then I will move it inward as well, above the creases with the very edge. Slowly blend it into the matte shade. And for the inner corner highlight, I will use Play Hard. And now start to diffuse it. I love how it brightens up everything. This is such a cool metallic. I don't know exactly if that's what it's called, if it's a metallic. I don't know, there's something about Hyper Sensual and Play Hard that's really cool. It's like a sparkler. I don't know, it's so cool. I love it. I'm taking my precision shader to blend it a little bit. For liner, I will use the NABLA Serial Liner. I'm going to press a liner onto the base of my lashes in the center first, and then going into the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm not going to create a wing, I'm just going to do this to emphasize the lash line. With the lash line smudger and Black, I can smudge out the outer corner. I'm just smudging the edges. I feel like I'm even going to take some more of Black. And I'm smudging away. Smudge, smudge, smudge with a few of the brushes. So with the soft crease brush and with the lash line smudger, we are smudging away. So I don't think I knew what I was doing when I went into this, and I don't think I really explained it. But basically, I added liner without adding a wing. And then I took my lash line smudger and my blender, like this cut crease soft crease brush, and I basically added Black on top of the liner. Like I put it on top of the liner, and then I kind of smudged it out to the outer corner, and I made sure that it was built up and everything, and I smudged the lash line. And then I took my blending brush and then I just added a little bit more of Black by pressing it and then swirling it in the outer corners in blending motions to get this sort of effect. So now I'm going to put some lashes on, do my face makeup off screen, and then we'll come back to the lower lash line together. And I am going to be using the Anna Marty lashes in Shy Girl. These lashes are really pretty, and I do have a code for them. So if you like what you see, you can use code Nessa. I'll link the affiliate down below if you like them. So yeah. So in a makeup miracle momentarily. And voila, we have a makeup miracle moment, so let's get into the lower lashes. For the lower lash line, I'll go into Ghibli. I will be using the large shader brush, and I will put this on the lower lash line, kind of all over. I added just a little bit of Black to the outer corner. This is the NABLA Major Pleasure Mascara. So I'll finish off with mascara on the lower lash line. And I will be wearing the NABLA lipstick in Chloe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram as well, at Nessa Sunshine. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now.